Hello everyone, it's Butch and Lucy's Life in the USA. How are you all doing? Today we're having storm watch warning. Got blizzard conditions out here. I'm by this frosty snowman halfway down. I put blocks and bricks and everything so it won't blow over. Yeah, that's pretty bad. It's cold out here. Freezing. It's cold almost out there too long. Miss Lucy had to work today. Today's Friday. I'm off till the 2nd of January. I'll go back the 3rd. So I'm off for a little bit, which is good. Yeah, it's cold out there. Supposed to be some power outages. Let's get down 1 degree. Doesn't look too bad. I thought it was going to be worse. But it's not too bad out, but yeah, we staked everything down. We can't do no Christmas lights for a couple days because we got those blocks on those blow up outside. Oh well. I don't like winter at all. Don't like it. Don't like winter. A winter storm. Yeah, it's cold out there. Well, thanks for looking in, guys. I'll get another video later. I want to do some lives too while I'm off. So you guys take care. Thanks for looking in.